guys, thank you for tuning in to another awesome episode of Cooking with Kids. My name is Miss Kelsey here at the Frank Johnson Recreation Center, and I'm super excited to have you back. Today we're going to be making banana s'mores. Sanitize your area, wash your hands, and let's get started. And for this recipe, we'll need graham crackers, coconut oil, chocolate chips, banana, and marshmallow loaf. Or if you want, you could make it yourself, add a little butter and some marshmallows, warm it in the microwave for about 30 to 40 seconds, mix it up, and you have marshmallow loaf. You can cut bananas with a butter knife, something not as sharp, so the kids can do this recipe fully themselves as well. But parents, if you want to assist, you are more than welcome to do so. You know, I'm only doing one banana because it's not that many people, but you can use multiple bananas to make a larger quantity of the recipe. Okay, so we're gonna cut into medium slices. You see, not that thick. We're gonna have the end piece. We're not gonna use that, we're gonna eat it. So get a banana that has a little green to it so we can have bananas that are a little firm. Now we're gonna take our chocolate chips, a cup and a half, which is 3 cups of the half measuring cup. So we're gonna take a tablespoon of coconut oil, and now we're going to microwave our chocolate chips and our coconut oil. I have this little contraption to grab my bananas, and I'm gonna dip them in and place them on our wax paper. But if you have a fork or any type of instrument or cooking utensil to grab the banana, grab it. So we're just gonna flip it around in the chocolate and place it down. Try to get as much excess chocolate off as possible, but make sure it's coated very well. Okay guys, so we are about to take our chocolate bananas out of the freezer, and we're going to also be adding the topping, which is our yummy, yummy, yummy graham crackers. So here are our frozen bananas, and it should look like little pieces of bark. Take it, put it on top. Like that. Gonna take it. Take a few. And then voila, you have little cute banana s'mores. And we're gonna eat it. Now adding the marshmallow will be easier with a spoon, and you have to move quick because the chocolate may melt. But this is a cool little alternative to s'mores, using fire and things like that. And it's also using a healthy ingredient like bananas. So thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Cooking with Kids. Again, my name is Miss Kelsey at the Frank Johnson Recreation Center, where we are family, and we look forward to seeing you all again next Wednesday. Thank you.